Taking a 42-year-old beat-up bike that no one would think twice about and turning it into something that runs flawlessly and something that you could be proud of is a great way to learn to turn a wrench. On this beat-up bike, I went through it all. First, a total teardown from the tank to the crank. Then I set out to build it back up again into something special. There were some awesome projects along the way, like custom fabricating a rear hoop and a cowl to match, restoring a piece of crap, dented, rusty gas tank, taking the engine apart, measuring everything, replacing parts, sending out the cylinders to the machine shop, and painting everything. Also blasting, cleaning, then powder coating the frame and the super complex wheels and my custom electrical tray. And not to mention all the electrical work and all the cool custom parts that I put onto this bike. I'll show you how I did all of those projects and everything in between. It doesn't always go smoothly, but that's just the nature of the beast. You're definitely gonna wanna see what happens between me and the old CB750.